Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to split screen on iPhone. This is a easy multitasking, so you don't need to worry because I will guide you through this. So what you need to do is just head over to App Store, and then once you're in there, just search for split screen. Search for it. And once you're there, you can see this app right here with this logo. So let's click that. It is actually called Split Screen Dual Window. And what you need to do is to just download and install that. And then after that, just click on open right here. And this will open. So let's wait for it. They actually have some ads, so you need to verify that. But as you can see in here, you can edit two simultaneous apps at the same time by doing this. So for this, let's choose YouTube, and for this side, let's choose Twitter. And as you can see, I can now open two apps or sites at the same time. And by dragging this up or down, let's try to do that. Then as you can see right here, one becomes one becomes big, one becomes small, like that. You can adjust it however you like. And also you can see here on the bottom some buttons. So when you click the share, you can share the web page from top or you can share the web page from bottom. And you can also add some bookmarks, and when you click the settings right here, you have the option to remove the ads or clear cache or share this with friends. It is actually really helpful because iPhone still doesn't have that split screen feature that other mobile phones have. So having this app right here is really helpful. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.